everybody, and welcome to my channel. I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Yeah, the red machine was actually working today, which is kind of weird. So I scanned my card twice, and then it says you're all scanned up. Well, then I type in my phone number 3 times, and then I had more printout. That's why I like it when the red machine is working, because I feel like I get more extra care bucks than what shows up in my app. And then I had more that printed off at the end of my receipt. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. I've been really wanting to get diapers, even though I have a good stockpile of diapers. Charlotte's done with almost size 3, and she still can fit in size 3 really well, so I ended up getting some more size 3s. Funny thing is, these are the old, I gotta get some air in here. These are the old bags, and there's 34 in here. The newer ones have 31 in here, so I got the older ones because it's cheaper. You save more money. Okay, so these were 2 for $20. Now the Huggies pull-ups are probably a whole lot better of a deal, which is true, but I needed these diapers. I don't need pull-ups or Huggies or anything, or pull-ups. So, but I would have probably saved myself an additional $3, I think, if I did do pull-ups. But you know what? I need Huggies diapers. So this is what I got. So these were 2 for $20. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, plus I had a 3 off of 15 diapers, okay? Persil, you guys, I haven't had a digital coupon for Persil. This was $5.99, and there is a $2 off digital coupon for that. And then I also got the Tide Pods. This was $4.94, and there was a $2 off digital coupon for that. So I got those 4 items. It came to, after the coupons, it came to $20.93, but then you get a $10 extra care buck, and you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta ×2 for the Huggies, so I was pretty excited for that. So my grand total came to $8.93, or just $2.23 a piece. An okay deal. I really think that's a good deal for the diapers. I mean, I don't ever get Persil coupons, but you can also submit your receipt, to the P&G website. You guys will get 50 points for this, so if you need some points, submit your receipt. Alright, let's get those diapers packed up. The next deal I did, and I think I dropped one. I did the Aussie Deal. Now these are $4.99 at my store. I did have one that was $4.29, and I did have one that was $4.99. There wasn't enough, they only had 2 of the $4.29s, and I didn't want to mix and match to confuse everybody, so I ended up getting just the $4.99s just to help with people with the math a little bit better. There's a lady who's been here as long as I have, and she's not even couponing. She was just worried about the newspaper. But anyways, so I bought 4 of these, okay? At $4.99, they're buy one, get one 40% off. I used 2 off of 2 coupons that we got in today's inserts. I also had a $2 off Aussie, and then I also had a $2 off Aussie Herbal Essence or Pantene CRT that I used. So I paid $5.97 for these. And then you guys will get $6 back of an extra care buck, making these free. A 3-cent moneymaker. And you can submit your receipt to the P&G website. You guys will get points for that. And I should have actually separated my stuff, because I got more than, because they only do up to 5 per receipt, and I think I got like 6 or 7 items. So I'm not complaining. It happens. So the next deal I did is the cookies deal. These were $1 on sale. I had a $1 CRT that I used for any Nabisco cookies. And then I also had a 75-cent off a 2 coupon that I used. So these came out to be just a quarter for both of them. Awesome, awesome, awesome deal. I've been really loving Oreos lately, and I've been kind of craving some Nutty Butters. Actually, I'm gonna eat those on my way home. No, a couple of you guys were telling me, we've been getting a lot of the Hallmark cards, coupons. Now, please let me know if I bought 10 of them, if it would have taken the whole $5 off or not. But these are 49 cents a piece. I bought 5 of them. I had a coupon for $5 off of 5, and it only took off like $3.45 because these were each 49 cents a piece. But please let me know what I could do. I could probably mix and match something sometimes, but I'm just curious. Let me know. But these were absolutely free, which is perfect, because if you ever need like gift bags or something, there you go. Okay. I ended up getting my freebie of the day. It is the Medicated heat patch. I thought it was gonna be the cheap one that was like $2.50, but this one's like $5.79. So there's 3 patches in here. This is today's freebie. So I got that. And then I also clipped the one that I got yesterday to my card because I've been forgetting to do it all week. But these ones were from yesterday. These were $3.59, so I got these absolutely free, which I'm actually excited to get these. These are something I've been actually wanting to use, so yes. Okay. The next deal we got is some toothpaste. So something didn't add up right. Now I had a 3 off of, I can't remember what I had. I had like a, I think it was like a 3 off of 15 toothpaste or something like that. So I was gonna, you know, use that, but I had a 5 off of 25 Colgate toothpaste that came off on my receipt. So I have no idea what happened. So I ended up buying 4 of the Colgate toothpaste at $3.49. I had a 5 off a 3 digital coupon, plus I had a 50-cent off coupon that I used in today's paper. Then I also had a $1 off coupon times 2 for the Crest, okay? And I was going to use the 3 off of 15, but somehow, and this wasn't even $25, but somehow I got a 5 off of 25 that was clipped to my card that automatically came off, so I got $5 off. I don't know how that's possible. But you guys would pay $7.44 for all 6 of these. But then you guys will get $3 back when you buy 2 of the Crest, and you will get $4.50 back times 2 with the Colgate. So this comes out to be a $4.56 moneymaker. I got these all free, plus I made a profit, and the Crest can also go towards the P&G website, so you guys can get some points for that. And then I got a little bit of a deal. We got the Paparazzi nail polish. The Paparazzi nail polish is 2 for $5. These are, you guys would pay $5 for this, but then you guys would get $4 back in an extra care buck, making them $1 or just 50 cents a piece. I kind of wish these were on sale. I kept getting like CRTs for these all the time, and then all of a sudden now when they're on sale, it never goes. That's kind of weird. The top just popped off like that. Never knew that. Look how cheap those are. But whatever. So 50 cents for a thing of nail polish is pretty good. My total came to $7.33. I did use $35 worth of extra care bucks, but I will be receiving, or I did receive $32 back. I also will be submitting a $1 rebate ×2 for the Huggies on Ibotta and submitting my receipt to the P&G website. So my grand total came to $8.33 at 25 items at just 33 cents a piece. I am pretty happy with what I got. You know, anything you can save anytime, you can save money anytime, I say definitely go ahead and do that. I'm hoping to have more successful weeks. Thank you guys very much. Please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys all next week. See ya. Bye-bye.